Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create partition in your Windows 11. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be upgraded from Windows 10 to 11 and you are looking for how to create partition. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create partition. In order to do that, you can just see in your Windows 11 start menu, just right click over on it and then you're going to find here something, say disk management. Simply click over there. After click over disk management, you're going to see a disk management going to be appear. I have total two disks. One disk is HDD and another is HDD. HDD has 931 GB and SSD has 238 GB. I want to create a new partition from this HDD hard disk. So now I am going to create a partition from this G drive. So just right click over on it and then we're going to click here shrink volume. After click over shrink volume, it will give us how many space available in this G drive. We can create a new partition. So you can see it has 657 GB, which is here all this calculated by MB. So we're going to create a new partition. For example, I'm going to type here like a 1500 MB. This is a test. So I'm going to click here shrink and then it's going to be shrink. After that, you're going to see in this disk 0, we're going to find here something say unallocated, which is 1.46 GB. Just right click over on it and then click here new simple volume. And then you're going to find here something say welcome to the new simple volume wizard. We're going to click here next. And then here's the simple volume size is MB 1499. We're going to click here next and then it's asking the following drive letter F. Actually we have already CDE, so it's coming F. If you want to make any other you can choose, but I'm just keeping as it is. And then I'm going to click here next. After click over next, here is the file system. By default file system is NTFS. We're going to keep as it is, and the allocated unit size default and volume level. You can easily type here any name. I can type here, for example, I can type here NT ABC volume, anything you can type whatever you want name. And then I'm going to click here next. And then I'm going to click here finish. Now we're going to see you had successfully done created new partition. We're going to see a pop-up here autoplay. If I go here now in my Windows 11 this PC, we're going to see now it has total 4 partition. Just now I made this is a partition. So within this way you can easily create partition in your Windows 11. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.